back to Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. Today we're going to be doing another video, well, the only video on pulling the dump truck up on the trailer.
Make a big loop so we can get up onto here. Hey,
Yeah.
okay. Double this one up.
That one's 6,000 pounds. These two are 8. So that's gonna be, in theory, plenty of them.
Where's that short? All three together. There it goes. I'm not even sure. Give up already, Caleb? All right, Jacob, catch up. I think that's gonna do it.
Well, you're right. You're gonna have some sore boys in the morning, but I think it's gonna do it.
It'll be all right. They'll sleep good tonight.
That's a fact.
Keep it coming. Come on, boys. You can do it.
Oh! That ain't gonna work.
What we got?
That handle on the
Oh, Caleb. Whoa. We'll get it moving. So worst case scenario, I had a tow company lined up to tow it on for $250. We made it about 2 feet so far. Boys are rolling on. There we go, boys. Thank you, sir.
Don't get it. At least if you snap you, it'll
It'll be a padded snap. Look at them go. Caleb, don't give up. Yeah, Jacob, don't suck yours into the cable. Don't suck the jacket into the cable. Let's go. Yeah, you're not tall enough to lose much off your legs, huh? Hayden, you need to catch up. Easy on the handle. Rolling on, look at that. Well, after some trial and error, we decided this is the way to move the machine with some come along. Chain through the track. Sean decided this was the best go rate. We got two 8-foot harbor, or 8,000 ton Harbor Freight. Come along. All right, let's move back a little bit, boy. Over this way. Right here. And 1/6,000 in the middle. Look at it. Rolling on there. Slow and steady, boys. Put your jacket on your cable, Hayden. Oh yeah, this is the way to move a 15,000 pound dozer. Slow going, but we're about to be headed home with it. Demands a video. This is round 2. Caleb's putting the jacket.
Whoa, this is round 1 of Caleb doing it. I didn't do it the first time.
Caleb says he didn't do it the first time. Round 2. We are making really good progress now, all things considered. We've about got it licked and saved 250 bucks for the tow bill to get it pulled up. Not really sure we're saving much because it's taking about 2 hours, but penny saved is penny earned. So, all right, you want to get another bite, boys?
Yeah.
Might as well. You got the slack off. Check it out. Once we got it moving, it's rolling on with a little free time coming along. Stay back a little bit, boys. We're about home free, guys. It can be done. Yeah. And these little forks, she said, were for lifting hay bales. Odd setup, but if anybody ever wants to know what to do when you chain through the tracks, run it up over the top, and you come along down, and away we go. Don't forget the good help. Caleb's rolling their hose, and got her on and strapped down. Sean says DOT regulations is 5 points of contact. We got 4 binders on the dozer, 1 running across the bucket. Should be on the road here shortly. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up.